home and I get a delivery and I see that there's something electric. I was like, what did I just get sent? But basically, Lemaire sent me a smart garden by Click and Grow. I've never heard of this brand before, but I kind of understand the concept. I feel like this is where we're going in the future with growing our food at home if we ever destroy the planet that we're living on. But basically, they sent me the moisturizing soft cream. It's my favorite out of all their creams. It's not that super thick. I love it. And of course, there's the rejuvenating night cream, which I've used before. So thank you so much to Lemaire, and I'm so excited to watch this garden of mine grow because I feel like I kill everything. Any plant I've been gifted in the past does not survive in my house. In the past, I've given it to my landlord or neighbor. I'm super excited about this self-watering indoor garden. I just have to find a place to put it. That's my main problem. Maybe the kitchen, I guess. Net-a-Porter's head office in Westfield Mall because I've been invited to a press day by, I guess, like the Outnet Ukes, the whole group. They're going to be showing us some party pieces, ski wear, etc. Things that are coming up for this upcoming fall winter season, and I'm so excited. I've worked with Net-a-Porter before in the past, like I think it's been like 2-3 years now. I've done some work with them. Even did the Style SOS series in Los Angeles when I was there. So it's always exciting to go back and meet more members of the team. I have packed my work bag with me. I've got this new work bag that I'm taking with me, and I'm going to take my camera and a mini tripod. It fits in here. So I just want to be a little bit productive, and hopefully, yeah, I can get some content on there as well. If not, I'll probably just film on my phone as one does at these events. So let's head out over there and see what exciting new stuff they have for this upcoming season.